and welcome to the biology topic ecosystems, lesson 1, relationships between organisms. We are going to take a look at how important all these different organisms are. So you've got 8 there. You've got grass, ladybird, bird, cow, mouse, a badger, a fox and a bird of prey. How are they important? How much do they rely on one another? How much do they depend on one another? Now it's worth saying at this point, you need to know that an ecosystem is all the living organisms in one area, and that includes the environment that surrounds them. Now, how important are plants? Why are they so important? So if using grass as our example, we don't just mean grass, though. We can talk about trees, we can talk about water plants, you can talk about flowers. Plants are important because they absorb sunlight during photosynthesis. Now, they use this light, along with other reactants, to make food. And they make food in the form of glucose. That food has many uses and is used to build molecules, which are used to become part of the cells. And these cells are eaten when that plant is eaten, and they are passed on to animals, and they are passed on through a food chain, which we will look at in the next lesson. But even if you don't eat the plant directly, the animal that you are eating has eaten the cells of that plant. Okay, that's the link there. Now, as well as photosynthesis being important, respiration is important. So the plant uses carbon dioxide and it photosynthesizes. But the plants also respire. All living organisms respire, even bacteria. So plants, animals, bacteria. Okay. Now, they use oxygen from the atmosphere in a reaction, and as part of that reaction, they release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. That carbon dioxide from respiration is what's used in photosynthesis. That's important to remember, and you will learn more about photosynthesis in the plants topic. So we need to take a look at why plants are important in all of this. Basically, photosynthesis plays a huge part. We've just discussed respiration, but looking at this, the carbon dioxide that's being released during respiration is then used in photosynthesis. You've got a little diagram there of the carbon dioxide going into the tree. So the plants will absorb the carbon dioxide and photosynthesis will take place using light energy and a reaction in the chlorophyll along with some water, and it will release oxygen as a waste gas. That gas is then used again in respiration. So you need to remember that this is the process where plants are able to make their own food. That's what photosynthesis is. And like we've just said, that they release the oxygen, which is essential for respiration.